Hi, we're back with another answer to an Ask a Biohacker question. One of our donors asked how the cost of real vegan cheese will compare to regular cheese or existing vegan cheeses. Can we make this product economically viable? A lot of variables are involved in answering this question. We have to consider the cost of growing the yeast that will produce casein, the cost of separating the casein from the yeast, the cost of the other ingredients that go into the synthetic milk, and finally, the cost of cheese making. Of course, this doesn't take into account the cost of doing the science to create our genetically engineered yeast in the first place, but that's what most of our Indiegogo money is being used for. One way to think about this question is to compare it to other food products produced in a similar way. For example, beer is also produced through fermentation. A 6-pack of craft beer, which is around 2 liters, typically costs around $10. Previous literature suggests that we should be able to produce enough milk protein for 1 serving of cheese with about 3 liters of brew. So this would be around $15 per serving eventually. Of course, our initial price point will likely be higher than that, and real vegan cheese will start out as a novelty item, much like synthetic meat. But then again, the very first in vitro hamburger cost more than $250,000 to produce, and we should definitely be several orders of magnitude cheaper than that. I don't think we'll ever be able to compete with Kraft slices, but then again, I wouldn't call that real cheese anyway. I hope this answered your question.